Today we are going to solve account of not-for-profit concerns, problem number 14, page number 123 and 124. Problem is given here. Following information has been provided by Vivekanand Charitable Hospital. Prepare income expenditure account and balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. So here opening balance sheet is given to us. We will mark it. These opening balance sheet balances will be posted to income expenditure account and balance sheet. So let us see. Building assets, ambulance assets, stock of drugs, income expenditure, then hospital equipment assets, cash in hand. This will not be posted anywhere because the second effect has been given in receipt and payment account. Then on liability side you can see capital fund. So again liability, bank loan liability, outstanding bill of drugs liability. Then marked all the items in opening balance sheet. Now receipt and payment account, subscription income, life membership income, hospital receipt income, then purchase of drugs. There is silent adjustment, so we will put a star mark over here. This is expenditure. Then salary to staff expenditure, honorarium expenditure, repairs expenditure, furniture asset and general expenses expenditure, balance carried down. This is also asset. Now stock of drugs value 22,000, depreciation, building and ambulance and life membership fees are to be capitalized. One by one we will see the effect of this adjustment. Here we are going to post all the items of opening balance sheet in our closing balance sheet. So capital fund, bank loan, outstanding bill for drugs, building, ambulance and hospital equipment. Now one by one we will see the effect of adjustment. First adjustment is given, closing stock of drugs valued at 22,000. So balance sheet asset side and less from the drugs. Closing stock of drugs is posted, and then there is silent adjustment in receipt payment account regarding pending bill. So 40,000 has been paid out of 2 lakh. Two effects will come: less from income expenditure account 2 lakh minus 40,000, and less from balance sheet liability 50,000 minus 40,000, because last year's bill has been paid in current year balance sheet. So outstanding bill less bill paid current year, so 10,000 is still outstanding of the last year. Income expenditure account 42,000, 1 lakh 60,000. So here 2 lakh minus 40,000. So you can see here our less closing stock. Our drugs consumed during the year is 1 lakh 80,000. Now on building at 5% per annum and ambulance 30,000. So less from building and ambulance. Then income expenditure account debit side. So we can calculate the depreciation. 10 lakh 50,000 is given. So 10 lakh 50,000 multiplied by 5 divided by 100, you will get 52,500. This is our depreciation. So in balance sheet you can see that we have deducted building 52,500. So net value of building is 9,97,500 and ambulance 30,000 deducted, so 3,70,000. In income and expenditure account we will give the second effect, 52,500 and 30,000, that is total depreciation 82,500. Then next adjustment is regarding life membership fees capitalized. So add in balance sheet liability side and less from membership fees income expenditure account. So the effect will be balance sheet we will add this to our capital fund. So total capital fund comes to 11,30,000, and in income expenditure account, life membership fees is given on income side 30,000 less capitalized, so it comes to 0 or nil. We are going to balance our income expenditure account. First take the total of income side, it comes to 7,32,400, and expenses side it comes to 7,81,500. So our expenses are more and our income is less, so we are suffering from deficit. So this will be transferred, deducted from the capital fund in balance sheet. We are going to deduct 49,100 deficit, so our total capital comes to 10,80,900. Now we will take the total of asset side, it comes to 17,40,900, and liability side also comes 17,40,900. So our assets should equal to our liabilities.